What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today Meech supposed to come home, man. Meech supposed to come home. Rick man had the trailer, so Rick gonna go grab it for me today, man. So we supposed to get Meech home. I know it's sunny today, but it's supposed to rain this evening. If it do rain this evening, then I'm probably gonna come back to y'all the next day to finish up the vlog. Cause I got a feeling at the time, see it early right now, but at the time Rick get off and go get the car, man, at the time it's supposed to be raining. I got to move all this stuff around, man. I got to move all the stuff. So we're probably going to be scrambling in the rain, but the whole object is just to get Meech back and in that spot. So when he pull up, man, I might try to get a little bit of it. But if it's raining, I ain't going to be thinking about that, really. But if it is, so get a little bit of it. And then if it raining too bad, man, I'm just going to continue this vlog the next day, so y'all just stay tuned. See it, man. Meech back home. Found Rick, went ahead and grabbed it for me, man. Saying I'm gonna let him keep the trailer for right now. So we finna put it back in the spot. I see I got everything moved. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right. The next day, we got a sunny day, but y'all see I got a brief clip because the bottom fell out. The bottom did fall out, man. So I was like, man, hey, that's what I told you. I had a feeling, man, this weather be crazy. Started out good, and then the bottom fell out right. Well, it won't start. It started. Luckily we got everything moved. Well, we got this. We got meat put right here before it got real crazy. But when I was moving the other stuff back, it got crazy. This weather got crazy. That's what I said, man. I already knew I was gonna have to start y'all back up the next day. So let me see. Unlock the net, man. I hate this. I might as well unhook the battery too while I'm at it. Cause only thing gonna happen, the battery gonna die if I don't. And I ain't trying to kill this battery, man. It's a good, expensive battery. I know I bought everything new on there. Yeah, I'm gonna hook that battery. Might take it off, take it out here completely. Look at that, man. All this good, neat work. I need to pop the hood anyway. To pouring sweat, boy. I need to make sure this was on here. The carb had, but. Y'all see, and I'm gonna come out here probably tomorrow. I ain't gonna do it today cause I got some other stuff shaking. But I'm probably gonna come out here tomorrow. Ain't no problem in it, I am. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow and pump all that gas out the tank, cause man, it about 14, 15 gallons of racing gas in this tank. I'm finna pump that out. Cause John Jones needs some gas in it now. So I might stick it over in John Jones. And man, time winding down on that one right there. Time winding down to join the contest. But I'm gonna tell y'all honestly what it looking like with that, with the contest. It looking like I'm gonna end up sending everybody money back, man. The content is supposed to you're supposed to have till the 26th. You're supposed to have till the 26th to get entered. But I'm telling you, man, if it get about the 23rd, 24th, oh! Y'all seen it got me.
He needs some milk.
Boy, that yellow jacket was at me. That yellow jacket was at me for real, boy. See, with their glare, their lens, like they see their reflection or something, and boy, they go crazy. So, as I was saying, if this thing if it's not close to being filled by that time, which I don't think it is, man, I'm gonna send everybody money back. Like I said, call. Hey, man, you know. But I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna just hold off. Say if you did enter, if it does not fill by the end of next week, your money will be coming back. I appreciate everybody that entered, but if it does not fill by next week, your money will be coming back via whatever way you send it. But what I think I'm gonna do, well, ain't no thing. I'm gonna lower the price. I'm gonna lower the price, man. Try to make it sweet for somebody. If they don't take this, then I'm gonna get in that mode, man. I'm gonna turn into an animal, just like I did with all the rest of them. But I'm putting it out there too for people. 15,000. Not 15, my bad. 17,000. I'm tripping. I'm thinking about something I seen on Facebook, but I be having my eyes on stuff. I can't speak on that though. But 17,000, you can get it. That's a damn giveaway. 25 was a giveaway, but 17,000, that's 8,000 knocked off of it. Why? Because I just hate to see it sit, man. I'd rather see somebody have this car enjoying it, and I really like to see somebody make them a channel and go up with it. At least start off with it. But 17,000, man, you can get it. Cause I don't think, I'm just being honest, I don't think the slot's gonna fill up. But I'm gonna give it to next week though. You never know. I've been promoted. Give it to next week, man. But if it don't, I'm sending your money back straight up. And but Meech, y'all see, man. Got to shout out to Rick for getting it back to me and stuff. Meech back in his original spot. I know y'all probably wondering what's the plan. The engine, I'm not taking nothing out. I'm not taking nothing out right now because I already got something there cooking. I got my other one cooking. I will be back this year for sure. But this right here gonna be staying in just like this. Transmission gonna be staying in, all of that. And man, y'all know, I don't know if y'all saw, I posted a video on my Jmalcom 2004 ride channel, man. I'm about to kick that on the way. I posted one. I posted my reaction to first time hearing Meech. And now I know, especially some of y'all, man, y'all, it ain't some of y'all, it's just a few. Some people silly. They swear up and down these comments bother me just cause I talk about them. That's part of the internet. I'm supposed to talk about them. But I do got to talk about this one. This on a serious note. Now all these characters, even the one that say the comment bother me, that don't bother me, man. But now I do have to address this. I have to address this. Let me put y'all down right here. Hold on. I gotta buckle Meech back up first. Then we're gonna get back over here. But I gotta address it, y'all. On my Jmalcom 2004 ride channel. Y'all know Life of Jmalcom channel pretty much sorted itself out. We had a few characters, but I got on their ass so bad. They don't say no. They try to pop up every blue moon. Then I get on their ass again. That's just how I do. But what I want to say is man, I dropped the video of the reaction, and I seen a guy said, what I'm doing with them lettuce heads. Now this right here, I don't tolerate. I'm talking about this now. I'm serious about this now. Hey, if it run up and gave me, it do. But that ain't even the point of me talking about this right now. This is some serious business. Now did it make me mad? Oh yeah. I ain't say mad, upset like that to that level, but it made me mad. That's the thing about me, y'all gonna realize, man. If I'm mad, I'm gonna tell you I'm mad. If I ain't, I'm gonna tell you I ain't, regardless of what you think. But like I told you how I felt about the video that time, when people want to look at all the bullshit and they want to look at the positivity. But the man said, what I'm doing with them lettuce heads working on my car, they messed the engine up, something like that. They gonna turn it back on you in the end. Now, he talking about Jesse and them. He talking about my bros over there at Lawless. I do not tolerate no racist shit, man. Excuse me if you got your kid watching, but if they are watching, they got to understand the seriousness of it. They gonna hear cussing anyway. I cuss around my kids from time to time. They gonna hear it. But I do not tolerate no racist junk. Like, if you want, and I mean racist in the word of slurs, man. Lettuce heads, they're like a slur to me. Or if you say if you say the word cracker, your comment getting deleted off top. I did it before. Your comment gonna get deleted. Or if a white person come on, I know they here, and you saying they coming on with nigger and ghetto, this ghetto and this ghetto, and I don't tolerate that, man. I don't do that. I don't do that. If I see it, it's out of here, man. And then, you know, hey, you ain't got, but you really have zero time to do that, man. Probably block you 9 times 10. Most of the people I block, I'm probably gonna block you. But this man said lettuce head. I just gave him one, like, hey man, don't do that. Don't do that, man. These boy done looked out for me, and y'all know what they did over here. That channel over there, I ain't uploaded a full-length video on that channel in a year. I uploaded shorts, but a full-length vlog I ain't did in about a year, and I went live about probably 3-4 months ago. But so some of them people really don't know what's going on, cause they haven't been over here on this channel at all, so they don't know what's going on. But I'm like, man, don't do that, man. You talking about these boys that put in all that work on their car, my pride and joy, and did it in like 34 days. And like I told them, don't talk what you know. They ain't do the motor. They did what they supposed to. And then I was like, man, them guys done looked out for me on the house before with stuff, man. I come through, I be like, hey, cause I always ask them what I owe you. If it's on small sometime, man, just done looked out for me. And you know, if people go to him, I know it probably be some racists to see, they'd be like, that ain't fair. Hey man, life ain't fair, man. Life ain't fair. Let's get that out of here. Life is not fair. And people gonna show favoritism. It's natural. Like if your daughter or your son or something got something going on, you gonna show favoritism some kind of way. Some kind of way. It might not be team involvement or something. It might be something else. But you gonna show favoritism. So let's get that out the way. You know what I'm saying? And it's an exchange. Like I promote Lawless and all that. When y'all understand, when you understand social media business, y'all know I put y'all on a lot of great people. But at the same time, they're still business, man. You know, a shout out and stuff. And I'm just keeping it real, man. But I don't tolerate that, man. I ain't, hey, don't do that, man. Don't come on here with that racist stuff on either side, man. Don't come. It's enough we have to deal with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see, I get profiled. Y'all seen get profiled in a video not long ago. It's already bad enough. I'm glad. I'm trying to bring unity. You know what I'm saying? White, black, Asian. I got people I ain't Canadian, but Canadian. Watch out, Canada too. But people all over the globe, man, connecting. You know what I'm saying? And building a brotherhood and a sisterhood. I ain't on here trying to promote that. I ain't say nothing about I ain't never in my life said nothing racist, and I never will, cause I don't want nobody calling me no nigger and all that. And I done been dealt with that. I done dealt with that before. So I ain't gonna tolerate it online either. So yeah, this is me addressing a comment. This is real life me addressing a comment, not running up no engagement, cause I mean business about this. I seriously do mean business about this when it comes to race and stuff, man. And then you ain't finna be out here talking about no kids or none of that stuff, no pedophile, none of that type stuff. We ain't going for that. We is not going for that, man. So I wanted to talk about that. It just hit my mind when I was telling y'all I had dropped the first video over there on Jmalcom 2004 ride. And if you ain't got the memo, I'll probably be dropping probably about 3 times a week over there right now. Cause this is my daily channel, and this is where it's at. Cause one of my guys over there, I recognize his name. I don't want to say it, I mess it up. Something Knight. I don't want to mess it up, man. I don't want to mess the name. He was like, cause I just said on the outro, I'm out. We out. He like, no BCG? And I was like, BCG is over here. Brown Coat Gang started over here. You know what I'm saying? It started over here. The Brown Coat Gang and the BCG movement, it started over here, Life of Jmalcom. That's where it stay. So, hey, it ain't going to be no BCG amount, because it ain't BCG over there. It's a Jmalcom 2004 ride. BCG is over here. And the stats show it, man. The loyalty over here. So, that's what we got going on. Excuse me, y'all. Meech's back. I'm just trying to keep y'all in the loop in real life with what's going on. So y'all, I know y'all be noticing everything. Y'all be like, hey man, I see something over there in the corner. Meech's back. I already got some cooking. I told y'all, man, ain't finna let nothing knock me down. I ain't letting nothing knock me down, man. It's a messed up situation, true enough. But I got some cooking. And then when we get that pulled out, I'm gonna tear the engine down again, man. We're gonna do a tear down, and we're gonna inspect everything. I'm gonna try to teach y'all stuff with that, and I will be sending the parts to the machine shop to see what can be used or whatever. And yeah, man, that's what we got going on for today. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.